Let's be honest, most people can only dream about living a life that aligns with their goals and aspirations. The gap between this lifestyle and reality is usually attributed to their financial situation. Unconscious spending habits prevail, leading to a cycle of financial mistakes. These habits usually come from a lack of awareness rather than intentional decisions. However, there are some easy ways to avoid financial pitfalls that everyone should be aware of. Pay close attention until the end of this video to discover 6 money mistakes that keep you poor. Buying liabilities instead of assets. Assets are items or investments that appreciate in value or generate income over time. On the other hand, liabilities are things that typically decrease in value over time or don't contribute to generating income. Most people stay poor because they have a short-term mindset and they prioritize buying assets like cars, gadgets, or any kind of consumer goods. People don't seem to realize that these things lose value from the moment they purchase them. The mistake arises when individuals allocate a big portion of their resources towards acquiring liabilities instead of assets. Many people even get loans or credit cards to purchase items like smartphones, big screen TVs, tablets, laptops, and more. While these gadgets may serve practical purposes and be essential in certain situations, they also have a short shelf life and become outdated in a few months. Instead, people should focus on investing in assets like real estate, stocks, bonds, or businesses. A good asset could potentially generate income for years or even decades. Pursuing a pointless career. Staying stagnant in a job that offers no growth, limited earning potential, or lacks job satisfaction can be a detrimental financial decision in the long run. While it's unrealistic for most people to expect adoration for their job, sometimes accepting a job temporarily or out of necessity can simply serve as a stepping stone. It's crucial to strategize for a transition to a more fulfilling career opportunity. This involves proactively acquiring the necessary skills and qualifications to secure a position that aligns better with your passions and ambitions. Ideally, initiating this process before feeling compelled to leave your current job ensures readiness for the next phase when the moment arises. Having a clear career vision and setting realistic, achievable goals are crucial. This strategy enables you to methodically work towards a more rewarding professional life. By visualizing where you aspire to be and taking concrete steps to get there, you empower yourself to navigate towards a career path that brings fulfillment and financial stability. Mindless spending. In today's world, it's easy to fall into the trap of overspending on unnecessary items, and the boundary between what we truly need and what we merely want is becoming increasingly blurry, largely influenced by the surge in information and social media. These platforms often fuel a craving for immediate gratification while promoting a certain lifestyle or image. Consequently, many individuals fall into a cycle of squandering both their time and financial resources on excessive indulgences and the constant upkeep of a facade. The temptation posed by luxury goods such as designer apparel, lavish jewelry, high-tech gadgets, and frequent fine dining experiences can be incredibly seductive. Taking a breath and questioning whether the latest trendy item is something you actually need can be enlightening. More often than not, that quick reflection might reveal that the item in question doesn't align with your fundamental needs. Redirecting that money towards saving instead can have substantial long-term benefits. This shift in mindset not only helps with your finances, but also cultivates a more deliberate approach to consumption, emphasizing the value of thoughtful spending and long-term financial security. Lack of financial plans. Achieving financial independence involves more than just saving money. It's about actively seeking opportunities to grow your wealth through smart investments. Effective financial planning enables the accumulation of surplus funds that can be strategically invested. There's a sea of promising investment avenues such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or even venturing into entrepreneurship by starting your own business. The key is to diversify your investments, spreading risk while maximizing potential returns. One powerful factor in wealth accumulation is the magic of compounding. By reinvesting returns or earnings back into your investments, you allow your money to grow exponentially over time, amplifying your financial resources. However, the path to financial independence demands a critical look at your spending habits. If you're consistently facing financial strain where expenses outweigh income, gaining control over your costs becomes imperative. Prioritizing spending less than what you earn and saving the surplus forms the foundation for financial stability. Monthly payments. Payment plans for essential items and bills can provide significant financial relief, but relying on them for everything can be financially burdensome. Monthly fees for convenient services like music or movie streaming may seem hassle-free, but they accumulate quickly. Popular services like Netflix or Spotify often come to mind as common expenses, but it's essential to consider other recurring costs such as unused gym memberships, gaming subscriptions, or various streaming platforms. What makes these expenses particularly insidious is the automatic payment setup, quietly taking money without providing tangible ownership or a sense of value in return. To regain control over your expenses, consider shifting towards manual payments for services that genuinely add value to your life. By actively managing these expenses, you gain a clearer understanding of their impact on your finances. It allows you to assess whether each service aligns with your priorities and whether it's truly worth the cost. By taking charge of your payments and reevaluating your subscriptions, you can significantly benefit your financial health in the long run. This proactive stance toward managing expenses helps curb unnecessary spending, allowing you to redirect funds towards endeavors that truly enhance your life or contribute to your financial goals. Borrowing money. Credit cards have a significant influence in modern financial transactions, not only facilitating purchases but also playing a crucial role in building and maintaining credit scores. A robust credit score opens doors to essential loans for homes, cars, and other significant financial milestones. However, a concerning trend has emerged where credit cards are increasingly used for everyday expenses like groceries and fuel, items that ideally should fit within a set monthly budget. While convenient, this practice poses a considerable risk. The convenience of credit cards often comes with a significant drawback: the imposition of high interest rates on outstanding balances. This seemingly harmless delay in payment can spiral into a dangerous cycle. As individuals rely on credit to cover routine expenses, they tend to exceed their means. The accumulating interest further grows the debt, leading to a situation where the debt load becomes unmanageable. The ease of swiping a credit card can create a disconnect between spending and the actual financial situation. Without the immediate impact of cash leaving one's hand, it's easier to lose track of expenses and overspend, leading to an accumulation of debt that becomes challenging to repay. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.